Hey, hi. I got a green screen now. I can put anything up here. Like that and that. And what about. Yeah. I could be flying through space. Whoa! Whoa! It's space! Whoa! Don't laugh. This isn't funny. Shut up. This is a perfect setup. I can do that. With my editing magic, I can make you all vanish like that. Because I got a green screen and you can't stop me. More powerful people than you have tried and all have failed. I'm standing up now. How's that? I'm standing. My green screen is nice and turquoise. Now it's turquoise. You can't stop me. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, this is all a ploy. This is all a trick. This is all a boonswaddle. That's right, boonswaddle. Look it up. Boonswaddle. I've tricked you all because this is just a mic test. I'm doing an interview later today, and this is my test. I'm gonna bring a chair over. Yeah. So if I were to lavishly sit myself upon mine throne, you plebeians could never understand yeah. Bet you never expected that now, did ya? Always unexpected. I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You. Yes, you. Yeah, yeah. No, not the other guy. Yeah, you. I see you. Wow. Wow. Hello, today I'm doing a reaction video. And that was my reaction video. I hope like, comment, subscribe. This is the bestest mic testest ever. Green screen. Go. Oh no, they're after me. Oh, they're after me. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here. Oh, they're after me.
What's up, guys? It's me, Lethal Company Man 47, here back at it again with another episode. Today we're going to be gathering enough wood to make a iron pickaxe.
I am a menace. My screen is flipped. What's up? Oh, I gotta test the headphones. Hold up. Yeah, feel the groove. Oh, yeah, feeling the groove. What? Can I hear it from here? I can. Because the thing is, I need to be able to hear it. Anyway, that's it. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Patreon. Bye.